Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a software that I found. It's a very useful software. Um, Basically what it does, it helps you to lock your computer, basically to use your USB flash drive as a key to access your computer. And I'm going to go through, talk about what this software exactly does, the features of the program, and setting up and installing it, and as well as probably a demonstration if my capture software will allow it while it's locked. So this is what it's called. It's called Predator, and it protects your PC with a USB flash drive, and it does this very well actually. Um, one of the issues that one of the questions I had when I found this software is that if you can still use it if you happen to lose your USB flash drive, and don't worry, this protects you from that. You can set a password to unlock it in substitute of the USB flash drive. You can program it to, I believe you can program it to lock during certain times, and like you can disable the USB monitoring for a period amount of time until the computer shuts off and turns back on, and automatically turns back on. So if you need to use that flash drive for any other purpose, you can disable the monitoring. So what you're going to do is go to this website right here, predator-usb.com. I'll link it into the description also. So you're going to go here to download. I'll go over the requirements. This does not, I don't believe this works for Mac. No, it does not work for Mac. It supports Windows Vista 7, 8, 8.1, and 64-bit, as well as 32-bit configurations. Do I want to change the scholarship to absolutely not? Sorry for that. So we're gonna go here to download. Download the free edition right here. Also, here's a installation notes. So like if you have trouble going along with this video, you can also see like the installation process right here. I have a 64-bit computer, so we're going to go ahead and install that. You're going to open up the zip file. I'm going to minimize this. I always like to extract everything to my desktop so it's easier to find. That's extracted. And then go over to the one that says install Predator. Wait. I'm gonna go ahead and click run. Welcome to the Predator setup wizard. Let's go ahead and click next. You're gonna agree to this. I had this previously installed, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to reset old settings and revoke all keys, because I had previously had this installed before this video. Next. It's going to go ahead and install. I'll probably speed this up, so. Alright, Predator has been successfully installed. We can go ahead and close this. And we can open up Predator. Before using this program, you must define a password and you must register a key. That password is also what I said in the beginning of the video. of if you happen to lose the USB flash drive, you always have access to your computer. So I'm gonna set this to my old one. Let me retype that, I think I messed up. My 7 gig one. Registration complete. Basically what the software does, it reads through your removable drives to see if the key is on there, and it does this actually fairly quick. And it looks to be installed, so you can go over here, right click on that, you can go to preferences. I like to set my read interval to every 10 seconds. It's basically, well, actually every 30 seconds should be fine. Actually, let's set it to 10. Basically what that does is it'll lock your computer within 10 seconds of removing the drive. Screen darkness, auto. We're gonna click on auto start with Windows. That's going to make the monitoring run as soon as Windows boots up. You're gonna make sure all these are checked, or ultimate privacy. Alarm actions. Now this is pretty cool. You can change the picture when the alarm goes off. Basically, I'll just demonstrate that if my capture software allows me. To basically, when someone presses the keys multiple times while it's locked, it'll display an alarm or ask you. Actually, it's going to count down from 20 seconds to enter the password, or the alarm will sound. And then the cool thing about this is that you will be notified as soon as you put in the USB drive that you registered with, or your password, that someone tried to unlock it without the correct password or USB key. Like, probably this basically what this does, it allows the alarm to replay itself however much times you want. I set it to 5 because it gets annoying if it goes off by accident. Yeah, access denied screens. We can put up a picture with this. I'm sorry, I don't know what's wrong. Anyway, access denied with a picture of this. We're gonna go ahead and click OK. Well, let's go look through the. Oh, this is nothing. And I'm back. Sorry for that. I had to cough for a little bit. If you buy the full version, this will allow you to email you whenever new activity on your computer, as if like someone entered the wrong password, or they didn't enter any password but they were messing with the keyboard. Anyway, so I'll show you what this does, and I'm not sure if this will work, but alright, I'm gonna go ahead and lock it. And I believe that's usually there's a picture in the background, but after a while this is what comes up. I believe if you see, there's the computer is protected by Predator access control system. Intrusions and attempt will be reported to the administrator. So for the sake of counts down from 10. Enter my password. And here comes up the log. It says there it is. Hold on. Session locked after timeout entering password. Password timeout. Yep, and session unlocked after entering password. Monitoring paused because I entered my password. Alright, so that was my review and tutorial of the Predator USB software. Just to go over what we talked about. All it does is allow you to make a key for your computer. So, oh yeah, and answer a question that I had when I was setting up the software. This computer is shared with multiple people, so we have different like Windows accounts on here, and this will work for separate accounts. Alright, so let's say the other person who uses this account does not have my key and they log into their account. Oh, sorry about this again. They log into our account, their part of the computer will not be locked. Only this part of the computer will be locked. So let's say that person tries to get a little bit snoopy and they go snooping around in my account. It will be locked until I enter my password, or until they manually shut down the computer and turn it back on. And then once they turn back on the computer, if they try and log on to my part of the account, it won't allow them in without my password or the USB key, but it will allow them to access their part of the computer, which I thought was pretty good. It was a very concerning question that would make or break this software for me. So that is pretty much it, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment on this video, share your thoughts, share this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.